36 hours and counting until the tax deadline arrives. And while most people have already filed their taxes, there are those of you who wait until the last minute. So what should be done if you are in that box? News 8's Brian Spiros lets you know.
The clock is ticking until tax time, and if you haven't filed yet, you're certainly not alone. It's estimated 1/3 of Americans wait until the last minute, and there's a big reason for it.
A lot of people fear that they owe money, and when we're done with them, they're getting a refund.
Of course, there are those who will have to pay Uncle Sam regardless, but Jason Hewitt, senior tax advisor with H&R Block, says your taxes need to be done.
Get out there and file, even if you owe taxes. The penalties for not filing are far worse than if you fail to pay.
We often hear about filing an extension, and you can certainly do that using this form, but keep in mind it also comes with its own set of rules.
Filing an extension gives you an extra 6 months, but that doesn't mean you have extra time to pay. You still have to pay 90% of what you owe by the April 15th deadline. And here's something else to keep in mind. There's more than $13 million worth of unclaimed tax refunds in Connecticut, all of it from 2011. The bulk of it comes from those who did not claim the federal earned income tax credit. You have until tomorrow to claim it, even though it's 3 years old, and don't expect a reminder from the IRS.
133,000 employees, and not one of them calls you if they owe you money. They never come looking for you.
And if you feel like there are so many rules and regulations when it comes to taxes, there's an explanation.
The tax code's actually 5 times the size of the Bible.
As a reminder, the tax deadline is tomorrow at midnight. Reporting from New Haven, Brian Spiros, News 8.